Ever pondered over the mystery of how we manage to focus in a cacophonous environment, such as a bustling restaurant? The clatter of dishes, the hum of music, the overlapping chatter of patrons. It's a wonder that anyone can pay attention at all. A recent study spearheaded by the researchers at Brown University's Carney Institute for Brain Science provides a deep dive into the brain mechanisms that help us concentrate amidst such distractions. In an earlier study, these masterminds discovered that people have the ability to separately control their focus by enhancing relevant information and tuning out distractions. The latest research, published in the esteemed Nature Human Behavior, unravels the process by which our brain coordinates these two key functions. Harrison Ritz, the lead author and a neuroscientist, drew an analogy between this process and the coordination of muscle activity during complex physical tasks. Ritz explains, in the same way that we bring together more than 50 muscles to perform a physical task, like using chopsticks, our study found that we can coordinate multiple different forms of attention to perform acts of mental dexterity. These findings offer a fascinating look into how we wield our powers of attention and what causes these powers to fail. Co-author Amitai Shenhav, an associate professor at Brown, says, "These findings can help us understand how we exhibit such tremendous cognitive flexibility to pay attention to what we want, when we want to. They also shed light on the limitations of that flexibility and how those limitations might manifest in certain attention-related disorders like ADHD." To carry out this study, Ritz utilized a cognitive task while measuring participants' brain activity in an fMRI machine. The task involved distinguishing between the movement and colors of a swirling mass of green and purple dots. Ritz and Shenhav then analyzed participants' brain activity in response to the tasks. Ritz explains the process by saying, "You can think about the intraparietal sulcus as having two knobs on a radio dial, one that adjusts focusing and one that adjusts filtering. When the anterior cingulate cortex recognizes that motion is making the task more difficult, it directs the intraparietal sulcus to adjust the filtering knob to reduce the sensitivity to motion. In a scenario where the purple and green dots are almost at 50-50, it might also direct the intraparietal sulcus to adjust the focusing knob to increase sensitivity to color." In essence, these findings provide a captivating insight into the power of the human brain and its ability to focus amidst distractions. The study also highlights the complexities of cognitive flexibility and the potential limitations that can manifest in certain attention-related disorders. This research is a significant step towards understanding the intricacies of our brain's attention mechanisms, offering a new perspective on how we navigate the noisy world around us.